In this video, I'm breaking down the must-know tips and tricks to totally nail your home renovation project without losing your mind or your cash. When you're tackling a big home upgrade, it's easy to get overwhelmed, but trust me, staying organized is key. First off, always start with a super clear plan. Know exactly what you want before you buy a single thing or call a contractor. Next, set a realistic timeline because rushing or stretching out your work will just stress you out and probably cost more. Budgeting is huge, so lay out every little expense you can think of and add a cushion for unexpected stuff. You don't want to run out halfway through. Make sure you pick the right local pros who know their stuff. Checking reviews and asking for recommendations can save you headaches. Communication is everything, so keep in touch with your team regularly and don't be shy about asking questions or getting updates. Also, don't forget to check if you need permits or have to follow any local rules to avoid legal messes. Lastly, stay flexible because sometimes things won't go as planned, and that's totally normal. Just keep your cool and adjust as needed. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring building codes, which can lead to serious legal trouble or unsafe structures. Always double-check with your local office before starting anything major. Another common slip-up is poor time management. If you don't schedule your tasks realistically, your project will drag on forever and drain your energy and money. Lastly, not having a clear budget is a huge risk. If you don't detail every cost up front, you might overspend or run out of funds mid-project, which is super frustrating. To fix these, make sure you do your research on codes early on, break down your timeline into manageable chunks with deadlines, and create a detailed budget that includes a buffer for surprises. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who are ready to get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work from people in their area, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.